Hello guys, this is Chirudeep once again and you're watching Code Java tutorial. This is the tutorial of abstraction and I have given a formal introduction of what is abstraction in my previous tutorial. Now from this tutorial I'm gonna code a little bit of abstract, and this is the introduction part of your abstraction method or keyword in your Java. So I'm just giving you a formal introduction here over here. Now in this code you can see that I have used abstract keyword over here. Okay, we were using public keyword before this tutorial and previous tutorials. Now I'm gonna using that abstract keyword over here, and I have defined abstract class A. Okay, now I'm creating one abstract method over here, that is abstract. So the fundamental idea of defining any method as abstract is that you have to just define this method. You have to just declare this method. Okay, and this method should be unimplemented. If any method is unimplemented, then as an declared, that method is called abstract. It is declared. Test1 is declared. Okay, it is not defined, so it will be called as abstract, and also it's having the abstract keyword also. Now the test2 method is a general method. It's a concrete method. It's a general method. So you can define whatever you want to do in your test2 method block. Okay, and another method test3 is abstract method. So we have just declared it, not defined it. Now I'm trying to create an object of the class A. Now if you run this program, you will get an error message. Okay, and this error is cannot instantiate the type A. That because you can't create an object of any abstract class. So I have given the introduction of the features of the abstract class in my previous tutorial. So you're gonna know that you can't create any sort of object in abstract class, so it's getting error. And if you just delete this abstract keyword from here, and if you delete this abstract keyword from test1 and abstract keyword from test3, then you can create object like we were using creation of object in my previous tutorials. But from hence now we can't create object which is having abstract class. So abstract class cannot we can't create any object of any abstract class. Now here test1 and test3 are declared method. Okay, and test1 and test3 is only declared, it's not a concrete method, so you can't create object for that. Now moving back to the next program. In this program also I have created one class, that is class B, and I have given test1 test2 test3 method as abstract. Okay, so these three lines are method declaration. Okay, and this is a method definition, but unlike the previous program, I have not defined anything over here. I have just created the method and just open brace and closing brace. So this is a method definition block. Okay, and another method, that is test5, this is also a method definition block. Now again I am trying to create an object of class B. Now again I will get an error message, and if you run this program you will get an error message, that is cannot instantiate the type B. So you can't create object of abstract class. Now moving back to the next program. In this program you can get the power of using static keyword in your abstract class, because static, if you are using any static variable or static method, then those variables or those method doesn't require actually to get called. You can call them directly by your class name dot operator and those methods or members. Static method does not require to create any object and to call them. So from this program you can see that I have defined one test2 method, that is abstract, that's okay, and I have defined one test2 method, that is a concrete method, and as well as it is a static method, and I am printing test2 from that. Now I am trying to access this test2 method, but I can't create object. Okay, I can't create object as the class C is an abstract class, but I have to access the test2 method. So the way is only to declare the test2 method as static, and we can access that test2 method by calling the class name dot that method name. So if you run this program, you will get the proper output as test2. This will run very successfully, no problem whatsoever. Now moving back to the last program, you can see that I have defined one integer variable I, that is a static variable, and one integer variable j, that is a non-static variable. Okay, and the class is abstract. Now I am trying to just access the static variable d dot I. It will print automatically the value as 10, no problem whatsoever. Now if you uncomment this thing, this two line, d1 equals to new d, you get a compile time error because you can't create object, so you can't access that j. Okay, so what are the methods to access the j? Because here j is a non-static variable, and you can't create an object to you can't create object of this abstract class, and j is a non-static variable, so how can you just access it? So we will be covering this thing to access a non-static variable in any abstract class. uh, how can we do that? So if you want to see, or if you want to know that how can we do that, so you have to watch my second tutorial. Now thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope you have learning a lot, and thank you for watching, and have a nice day.